viewers, we are right here in Celebration Square. Today, the event is arranged by some of our community members in favor of peace against war between India and Pakistan. Kashmir is a hot topic and a hot issue right now, which can be the reason for a war. We have to learn through time that we want peaceful means to communicate each other and stop this war. In Canada, we are living as a peaceful community as we have experienced through our history.
Can we please take a moment of silence for all those lives that have been lost in Kashmir, in Quetta, and so many other places around the world?
आज एक दुआ है, हमें मजबूत कर, हमें मजबूत कर, हमें इंसानियत सिखा कि इंसानियत से बढ़कर कोई एहसास तूने पैदा नहीं किया। इस एहसास को हमारे दिल में जगा। कश्मीर हो या कोयटा, लाहौर हो या दिल्ली, अपने करम से अमन फरमा, हमारे दिल को भी मोहब्बत से भर दे।
I was raised here, but I have really deep roots in Pakistan. My mom's Pakistani, my dad's Pakistani. So when I heard about everything that's going on, and then Naeem contacted me and told me if I wanted to say something and I wanted to host this event, and I thought it was very good that we were doing something different rather than fighting, and because on social media everyone's just fighting Indian Pakistanis. So this was a really good peace prayer. So I really am happy with it.
I'm totally against any war. War is not an option, should never be an option, especially between two nuclear neighbors. They should sit together and they should solve their problems, especially the problem of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir belongs to the Kashmiri peoples. Let them decide what they want to do.
Thank you so much, Halima ji, having me on Tech TV. It's a wonderful to get together from Pakistan side and from India side. Jehड़ा ਆਪਾਂ कहने ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਚੜ੍ਹਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਲਹਿੰਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ. It's beautiful people that get together here to just be for the peace prayer. I think that's what we need actually. ਅਮਨ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੈਗਾਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਭੇਜਣਾ ਚਾਹ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ. That's what we are trying to get the words out, and hopefully it goes to the public and people, it touches people's heart, and we living in the beautiful country. So that's why we are trying to send a message out there to the people that live with the peace, live with the harmony.
आज हम लोग जो यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं एंटी वार प्रेयर के लिए, बेसिकली इसका मकसद है कि जो भी नफ़रतें पीछे बैक होम्स में चल रही हैं, हम किसी तरीके उनको मिनिमाइज़ करके यहाँ अपनी जो साउथ एशियन कम्युनिटी है उसको हम यूनाइट कर सकें एज़ मच एज़ वी कैन डू, और वहाँ पीछे हम पैगाम दे सकें कि इन सारी नफ़रतों का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। हमें दुनिया जैसे चेंज हो रही है, सारी दुनिया मिलजुल के काम करना चाहती है, इससे ग्लोबल विलेज, तो हमें भी चाहिए कि हम उन पुरानी बातों को भुला के थोड़ा आगे निकलें।
हम यही दुआ करते हैं कि हमारे बैक होम, हमारी जो माँ है, जो हमारी धरती है, वहाँ पे भी जो हमारे बहन भाई हैं वो ऐसे ही सोएं बिल्कुल जैसे हम सोते हैं। यही ख्वाहिश है कि हम उनके लिए कुछ कर तो नहीं सकते, लेकिन दुआ तो कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि दुआ तो रब सुनता है, तो रब हमारी ये दुआ पूरी करे।
Very glad, very happy to see a turnout, very happy to see how people are coming out for the love of each other and the both countries and nation, and very excited to be here today.
So what do you think, how much it is important to have such kind of events?
It is very important. Anything which can bring people together and create harmony between two people, very important. We should have as many as possible.
Peace is what is required in today's time. We want aman. We don't want all these activities what are going on at the borders and tensing all the communities and the people all over the world. What we want today is just peace. And this is just a message that we are spreading from this city center square over here today. And I'm sure people would really be with us. Their support is always with us. And they will come wholeheartedly, so that what mission today we are starting spreads all over the world.
#1 multicultural channel. This is Tag TV.